My name is the Minion. Not Dominion, the Minion, if you guys got confused with that, because I can tell that somebody probably out there got confused with it. And this is the very first video of the Minion channel. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, I have to keep it like at a really low tone. Everyone else in my house was like asleep, so yeah. And a big shout out to the people who inspired me. Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, and Markiplier. Well, that's where I got my name from, Lord Minion 777, I think. His name is Wade. And then Bob. I forgot what his channel's name is. Okay, so what should we start off with for the very first video of this channel? Yay! Okay. Maybe this is a really boring game, but okay. Let's get this turned up. Let me turn this on. Okie doke. So, we have started off on here. I've played this game before. Boosh. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Done. There we go. Say more. Yes. Good. Yes. Thank you, Senor Bees. Thank you, Senor Bees. Go. Go. Yes, there we go. It's bubble time. Okay. Done. Almost done. And my little icon. Boom. So this is the very first video, that's why I'm playing the most boring game ever. Don't even know why I have this game, but I do. And we're done. It's amazing. I won! Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what to do. Huh. You cannot escape me. The chuck ball. Good. It's time. Whoa. Oh. Wait, so if I shoot at him... Oh, he'll attach more. If I shoot at him, he'll attach more, I think? What? Oh, okay, so I guess I shouldn't do that. I'm confuzzled. I'm very confuzzled. Oh, there we go. Get it? Down. Yes! Little piggy, you're down. Yeah, bitch Rooney. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I shouldn't say that. On to the next level. Yeah. Check power up. Go! Yeah! Biggie almost down!